Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we'll take a look at the Apple stock. It's been a while since I have done a a video on stocks, so I thought I'll just cover this because Apple has reached a key level. Before we proceed, disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only, and it is not for financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, and you have to do your own work. This is for education only. Okay, so if you remember from our past videos, uh, we were looking at a target of about 182 to about 188 dollars per share for the top side for Apple, and this is exactly what we reached. And the reason we were expecting this as a target was because of a ABCD formation, which I'll just quickly walk you through. But on the channel, you can find the video where we went through it in detail. And basically, what we have here is this. This is the COVID low, or in March of 2020, it formed this low, and if we call it point A, it went and made a high of point B in September 2020. There was some retracement here, and if we call it point C and we project A, B from point C, we get about $187. And then there were some other ABCD patterns here, which were making a confluence around anywhere between 182 to $188 per share. So that's why we were targeting that. And then when the market reached that and began to actually pull down, we had a number of scenarios where the possible support was coming in, and we were evaluating how the market price action traded around those points. Now, Apple has had a significant pullback over the last few months. But what is really important is that what we were looking at was we were looking at a few things when Apple was making this correction, in which we had certain points here in terms of retracement levels, like 155, spot 55 was one of them. It was achieved because of a retracement level of this AB here, but we were also discussing that it's possible that actually if this level breaks down, then Apple is in a longer term, in a correction of a longer term trend, which we looked at from point A. And that is point here of 20th of March 2020. And if that was the case, then we have a 38.2% retracement of from this low to the high, which was achieved here, which is this little point D. 38.2% retracement comes around 133 to $132 per share. And guess what? What happened last Friday? The market actually traded to that level. So this is why this level is really important and a really key level for the Apple stock price. And it is now what we're looking at is that this should or could prove to be pretty good support actually. On Friday, the candle was still a negative candle, so we'll have to watch how the price is going to trade for the following Monday. But it could prove to be a pretty good support level, and actually, the Apple stock price begins to move higher from here. Um, and then what we'll look at is we'll take a look and see where our 38.2% retracement comes in. Um, so as a first short-term target will be $145 per share area, and also if we look at that was the kind of rally which failed. If this were to repeat itself, then there you go. So we have some symmetry in the market. So we would expect the share price for Apple to go and tackle this 145 dollars per share area. If it begins to move higher from here on a closing basis, particularly to closing days, then the chances for a prolonged rally increases. So thank you very much for watching the video. That's all, a short update on the Apple stock price. Thank you. Bye.